back with yet another episode of Explore Goa with GT. And in today's episode, we take a look at how jaggery is made and processed in a traditional manner in the state of Goa. Located in Quepem taluka of Goa, Barcem is a village where traditional jaggery-makers come together in the winters to make jaggery from sugarcane. As you approach the location, the strong aroma of boiling sugarcane juice will entice you. You can easily spot the thatch shed, which is the unit where the jaggery is prepared. The process of making jaggery is an interesting one. A massive furnace is dug into the ground. Next, about 400 to 500 liters of juice is poured into the large pan. The fire underneath is then fed with dried sugarcane bagasse and other firewood. And on the top is the boiling sugarcane juice, which is extracted, cleaned and filtered. Hours of continuously stirring the thickened juice, it is free of impurities and is poured on the mud floor. You will find 2 or 4 men carefully tilting the hot pan and its content without spilling even a drop of juice. It is amazing to watch this whole process. In the next hour, they turn over the thick liquid, during which you will find men holding large flat ladles that resemble the oars of a boat. This continues till the thick liquid begins to take on a powdery consistency. It is quite fascinating to see how the process is skillfully done. However, craftsmen who are skilled in this activity are dwindling, and so is the number of people who can do this due to the arrival of modern technology. While technology makes things convenient, the traditional way is a sustainable way. Nothing is wasted and no waste is generated through this process. If you liked our today's video, don't forget to hit like, share and comment below.